Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to compare two popular graph search algorithms, uniform cost search and Dijkstra's algorithm. Both algorithms are used to find the shortest path between two nodes in a graph, but they differ in their approach. Let's dive in and see how they compare. But before comparing both of them, let's have a quick go through and understand what really these algorithms are. So uniform cost search starts at the initial node and explores its neighbors. The node with the lowest cost is selected next, and this process continues until the goal node is reached. Now jumping on to Dijkstra's algorithm, it is somewhat similar to uniform cost search, but it also takes into account the distance from the initial node, that is the source node, to each node. So this algorithm returns us the shortest path cost from the source node to all the nodes in the graph. So let's now understand the point of differences. So the first point of difference between both of them is their purpose in life. Have a close attention to both of these points. So uniform cost search purpose is to find the least cost path from the source node to a goal node. Whereas talking about Dijkstra's algorithm, its main aim is to find the least cost paths from the source node to all the other nodes in a graph. As you can see, the point of difference has been underlined. Uniform cost search finds the least cost path from the source node to a goal node, whereas Dijkstra's algorithm finds the least cost path from the source node to all the other nodes in the graph. So this was the first point of difference. Moving on to the second point of difference is based on their when do these algorithms stop or when do they terminate. So UCS terminates when it reaches a goal node. The execution of uniform cost search stops when the algorithm finds a goal node. In Dijkstra's algorithm, it terminates when all the reachable nodes are processed. It happens when the priority queue becomes empty. The third point of difference is their application. So, uniform cost search is an AI algorithm. So, it performs AI search problems such as in path findings and robotics. Whereas in Dijkstra's algorithm, it is used for network routing and finding the shortest path in graphs. Now, after seeing the point of differences, and now it's time to see the point of similarities. Moving on to the first point of similarity is the frontier they use. Both of them use priority queue. So what happens? The priority queue prioritizes the node with the lowest associated cost. Moving on to the second point of difference, that both of them work on non-negative edge weights. Both UCS and Dijkstra's algorithm work perfectly on graphs with non-negative edge weights, but fail with graphs with negative edge weights due to their greedy nature. And the third point is basically the expansion of the first point, in which the priority queue that is being used in both the algorithm uses path cost as a parameter to determine the order of expansion. So as we have previously discussed in the first point, that nodes with the lowest associated cost with them are dequeued from the priority queue first. So that's how the order of expansion is determined by the path cost. This is what the third point says. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.